Hello, good morning, dear students. So, my dear students, we are going to start the second unit test. So, in the second unit test, we are going to start the chapter that is force. So, my dear force, if we talk about the force, so many things we are doing in our life. For that, we needed force. If we cycling the bicycle, so we need force. And if we are doing anything, so we need force. Sometimes we lift the bucket, sometimes we lift the box, so for that we needed force. So if we talk about the definition of the force, so what is force? Pull or push is called force. This is the simple definition. It's called force. This is a simple definition of the force. And after that, the thing that is uh, effect of forces. If we talk about the effect of forces, so before that, I'm going to know tell you about the SI unit of the force. So, my dear, SI unit of force is SI unit of force, that is Newton, capital N. It is united by the capital letter N, and it means Newton. Newton, by the name of Sir Isaac Newton. So after that, if it the next thing is that is effect of force. What are the effect of force? Effect of force. So in the effect of forces कि effect of force के करके कौन कौन से effects पड़ सकते हैं. So first thing, it changes size, shape. It changes direction also. So this is the effect of force. So after that, my dear students, the next thing is friction. Force, and maybe you understood that what is force. Force means pull or push is called force, and the SI unit of force is Newton, which is denoted by the capital letter N. And the effect of force, it changes size and shape. How? Kaise? So suppose you have a rubber band, and if when you are stretch the rubber band, the rubber band size and the shape will change. How it is? Because when you applied force on that rubber by your hands, when you are applying the force, it changes the shape and size. Direction also, sometimes when you are playing the football, and one player kick the footballs towards you, and when you are kicking the football, so that time you changes the direction of the ball by the help of your leg. So that time you are producing the force. Okay. After that, friction. If we talk about the friction, what is friction? Friction. Next topic is friction. It causes between two bodies. So this is friction, and after that, opposite direction to force applied. Second thing is that in this, it is opposite force applied. It is opposite force applied. कि like this, when you are kick the football, and after a distance that football is going to stop. So it happens because of the when the ball is rolling on the ground,